that is walls. We are going to see a new topic, walls. See here children, what is this? Walls. In that walls, now we are going to see the first wall. Before that, how many walls are there? Yes, there are totally 5 walls. Totally 5 walls. What are the walls? See here. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Totally 5 walls. That is A, E, I, O, U. In that, we are going to see the first wall. What is the first wall? Yes, obviously A. That is A. Okay, children. Now, we are going to know the sounds of walls. Sounds of walls. That is phonic sounds. Okay, children. Shall we see the words with the letter A sounds? Okay. A sounds. A. A sounds. Everyone listen to me. A sounds. A. A sounds. A. How I am pronouncing? A. We can say it as A, but the sound is A. While pronouncing the words, listen carefully. While pronouncing the words, how you will pronounce? A. If you see, for example, see this picture. What picture is this? Apple. Red color. Apple. See, how I am pronouncing? Apple. Apple. A sounds. A. A sounds. Keep it in your mind. A sounds. A. Apple. See here, spelling A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. We can say A. While pronouncing, how it will sound? Apple. Apple. Okay? See the next picture. What is this? Van. What picture is this? Van. See here. See the word V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. But while pronouncing van. 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 See? Van. You also say along with me? Van. Okay, children? See the next picture. What is this? Man. What is this? Man. Spell the word M-A-T. Man. M-A-T. Man. 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 Okay. A sounds A. A sounds A. See, for example, I am going to do an action. You identify and say A. 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 What is this? Ant is biting my hand. Ant is biting my hand. How is the pronunciation? Ant. How it will sound? A. Okay, children, see the next picture. What is this? Pan. What is this? Pan. P-A-N. Pan. But the pronunciation? Pan. Pan. Okay. See the next picture. What is this? Man. What is this? Man. See? M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Man. Okay? Okay, children. See the next picture. What is this? Meow. Meow. What is this? Cat. What is this? Cat. Spell the word C-A-T. Spell it along with me. C-A-T. Cat. 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 How it's pronouncing? Cat. Okay. See the next picture. What is this? Bag. 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 What is this, children? Bag. See here. B-A-G. While I am telling the word. What is this? B-A-G. Bag. A. While I am telling how it will sound. A. But the pronunciation is A. Pronunciation is A. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Okay, children? See the next picture. What is this? Fan. Fan. Spell the word F-A-N. E. Okay children, in the previous classes till now we have completed vowel sound of A. Today's class we are going to see the next vowel sound, that is E. Now say, totally there are how many vowels? Yes, 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Okay children, shall we start the class? Now see children, what is the vowel sound of E? Yes, E sounds A. E sounds A. Vowel sound of A is A. What is this? Ant is biting. In the previous class itself, I have told you A sounds apple, ant, alligator, ants. Okay. Now today's class we are seeing E. E sounds A. E sounds A. What is this? I am breaking the egg. Egg. Okay. Please listen carefully. Keep this in your mind. A sounds A. E sounds A. Okay. These are short vowels. Okay, children. Now see here. See this picture. What is this? Yes, red color. Now I am going to teach you with the pictures. Start with the letter E, or the letter will come in middle also. Okay children, listen here. What is this? Yes, red color. Spell the word R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. While we are telling, we can say this R-E-D. In pronunciation, we have to say A. Ray. Okay. R-E-D, red. R-E, red. Okay. While telling, that is E. While pronouncing, it will become as A. See here, R-E-D, red. Keep on telling. Okay. Keep on say that. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Okay. This is red color. See here. See the next picture. What is this? Yes. Egg. What is this? Egg. Say E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. E sounds egg. Keep on tell that. Egg. Okay children? Hope you all understood. E-G-G, egg. Okay. See the next picture. What is this? Pen. What is this? Pen. Spell the word P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Now say, while we are telling, it will become as E. While we are pronouncing, it will become as A. Pen. Okay children, see the next picture. What is this? Yes, 10. Number 10. Now say T-E-N, 10. T-E-N. See, listen carefully. T-E-N. 10. While we are pronouncing 10. Okay? T-E-N, 10. Okay children, see the next picture. What is this? Yes, bed. What is this? Bed. Spell the word B-E-D. See the picture and spell it. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. B-E-D. But bed. While pronouncing, it becomes as bed. Keep this in your mind very clearly. A sounds A. E sounds A. Okay children? See here. Bed. See the next one. What is this? Leg. What is this? Leg. Okay children? See the next picture. What is this? Yes. Leg. picture? Net. What is this? Net. Say N-E-T. Net. N-E-T. Net. N-E-T. Net. I hope you all understood the concept. Vowel sound of E is A. E sounds A. Keep this action. Each letter there is a each sound. Okay. So keep this in your mind very clearly. E sounds A. If suddenly I am saying doing this action means you have to say this is E sound means A. Egg. Okay. While we are telling it is E. While we are pronouncing it will become as A. If it is a red means red. R-E-D. But the pronunciation is red. Okay. See here. What is this? Yes. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. See the next one. What is this? Pen. What is this? Pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Okay. The next one. Yes. 10. Number 10. T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. See the next one. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Okay. See the next one. What is this? Leg. What is this? Leg. L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Okay, I hope you all understood, children. Now it's time for your writing activity. Children, in this video we are going to see the group 2 letters. In the previous classes we have come across the group 1, the whole group 1 letters. Now group 2, okay. See, group 1 is middle line letters. Group 2 is upper line letters and group 3 is lower line letters. Okay, children. Now group 2. In group 2 we are going to see B and D. Shall we start, children? What we have to do before start writing? Take a fresh page, sharp your pencil, put today's date. Okay. See, children, put today's date. Have you all taken a note? Taken a fresh page? Now start writing. See, listen here. Group 2 letter B and D. Listen carefully. Slanting line. In each and every alphabet letter, we have to start from the small letter. We have to start from the slanting line. Okay, slanting line. Small curve, standing line. Small curve, go up, touch this line and small curve. What is this? Group 2 letter B. See once again. Slanting line, small curve, standing line, and once again small curve, touch this line, again small curve. Slanting line, small curve, standing line, small curve, touch this line, and again small curve. What is this, children? Group 2 letter B. B for ball, B for bag. See here. Slanting line, small curve, standing line, again small curve, touch this line and small curve. What is this, children? Group 2 letter B. Now D. See here. Slanting line, thick stroke, curve, standing line, go up, come in the same line and small curve. What is this? D. See here, children. Slanting line, thick stroke, curve, standing line, go up, come in the same line and small curve. Again, slanting line, thick stroke, curve, standing line, come in the same line and small curve. What is this? Group 2 letter D. Okay, children, group 2 letter D. D for doll, D for dog. While writing, you have to say and write. Okay, children, come in the same line. Okay. Now see, slanting line, small curve, standing line, again small curve and touch the line, small curve. Okay children? Children listen here. Group 2 letter D. How we have to write? Slanting line, tick stroke, curve, standing line, come in the same line, and small curve. What is this? Group 2 letter D. Okay children, I hope you all understood how to write the group 2 letter B and D. Okay. See, the same thing again I am telling. Please keep on practicing this letter. The whole 365 days you will going to learn only this alphabet letters only. Okay. Small letters and capital letters in writing. So please keep on practicing each letter. Practice each day. Practice each letter. Okay children. Thank you all.